Can you talk to us about, highlight some partnerships that Western Southern has enabled to really facilitate this innovation?
Yes, first thing on partnerships I'd say is foundational. We look for partners that share our values, have a long-term focus. We're middle market, so that's very important. We go to the middle market individual, the average person in America, and we're focused on the consumer. This is not a B2B platform, we're really a B2C company. Now through a partnership, it could be a B to a partner to a C, but that's key and foundational. Then what we're looking for is, the whole reason for looking at partnerships is we have 6.5 million customers.
Wow.
We think there's a massive potential to link up with a partner and generate cross-sells. What do they have? What do we have? Can it be a cross-sell? Second, organic. Okay, somebody is looking up their credit score frequently, like a Credit Karma. If you're doing Credit Karma and you're thinking in terms of finance like that, and your credit score, if you're trying to improve your credit score, maybe you should start thinking about savings and investments. And how do you handle if you, one of the people that's responsible for paying for the mortgage were to die, how would you protect that mortgage in your house? So that's where we really see the partnership aspect growing, is we link up with people that share our values and have that potential for us both mutually. I think the other thing that's really crucial, we like partners that are thinking into the long term. We're 135 years. Our goal is to build up a vertical that's going to exist for a very long time. Think Sears linking up with Kenmore with washers and dryers. They did that for 100 years. We'd like, if this is the type of partnership, if we partner with a bank or a Fidelity or a Credit Karma, that this will continue going forward all the time.
Yeah, it really does seem that by creating these ecosystems and these networks, suddenly new products seem to thrive that maybe we hadn't even thought of before.
Exactly.
So with that in mind then, let's look at partnerships and ecosystems in a more geographical sense than innovative. You know, what does operating out of Ohio bring, and how has that enabled you to really go on and thrive in this ever increasingly innovative landscape?
Well, Ohio's an awesome place to actually construct from. We are in the middle of America. I mean, you can't get more middle America than being in middle America. Coincidentally, we were called Western Southern Life in 1888 because it was more the Western Southern boundary as our country continued to expand. But this remains the middle portion of America. But even within a 2 to 4 hour drive, you're getting a huge swatch of the population. So you're in reality exactly where the consumer base and where that relevant base is. The second thing is it's always been a great laboratory for insurance. Going all the way to the top of the state in Cleveland, you have Progressive and Medical Mutual. In Columbus, you have Nationwide and Grange and State Auto. And down here in Cincinnati, we have Western Southern, Great American Insurance, and Cincinnati Financial. All these companies have been in 50 to 100 years in the business, all varying types, auto, home, property casualty, some are health. So it's also a great laboratory for that. It's a great financial area. So it's wonderful for banking, it's wonderful for venture capital. So what we've enjoyed is a lot of the fintech and insurtech startups are right here in Ohio. And clearly with the help by Jobs Ohio, they've fortified that to make this a great destination for people to think in doing that. We've always been great for education. There was a period of time after the Civil War, there were more colleges in Ohio than England.
Wow.
But we've always had great education, state and private education, so we have a great talent base. And roads and infrastructure, you can just connect. Utilities are low, everybody is now on broadband. So I still say the world is flat, but it is an absolute gem to be able to do business in Ohio.